What's up, guys? I'm Jeremiah. Been a little while since I made a video. In this video, I'm doing a cover of Freight Train by Alan Jackson. I just came down from Chippewa, had a station wagon and $100, thinking about the girl I lost a year before. Hadn't seen her in some time, thought I might go on by when your memory came up. You closed that door. Wish was a freight train, baby. Wish was a decent locomotive. I'd come whistling down your track, crashing through your door. Wish it was a freight train, baby. Wish you didn't have a heart. You need a shovel for the coal, just to get me started. Wish it was a freight train, baby. Wish it was a freight train, baby. Wish it was a freight train. Well, every time I talk to you, I hear your jealous lies. I feel like I've been left abandoned on some railway sign. And every time I hear your voice, my water just gets cold. My stoker will not stoke, and my boiler will not boil. Wish it was a freight train, baby. Wish it was a decent locomotive. I'd come whistling down your track, crashing through your door. Wish it was a freight train, baby. Wish you didn't have a heart. You need a shovel for the gold, just to get me started. Wish it was a freight train, baby. Wish it was a freight train, baby. Wish it was a freight train. Well, every time I slip behind, even further back, I wish someone would pull the lever and give me a little sand. And every time I fell behind, I couldn't get ahead. I wish some switchman would come out of the ball and change my tracks. Wish it was a freight train, baby. Wish it would do some locomotive. I'd come whistling down your track, crashing through your door. Wish it was a freight train, baby. Wish you didn't have a heart. You need a shovel for the gold, just to get me started. Wish it was a freight train, baby. Wish it was a freight train, baby. Wish it was a freight train. Wish it was a freight train, baby. Wish it was a decent locomotive. I'd come whistling down the tracks, crashing through your door. Wish it was a freight train, baby. Wish you didn't have a heart. You need a shovel for the gold, just to get me started. Wish it was a freight train, baby. Wish it was a freight train, baby. Wish it was a freight train. So the reason I pick that song with that kind of whatever is because I was kind of in for not a really pleasant. Is because I was in for not a really thrilling surprise on TikTok. So I see someone follows me on TikTok. I guess I end up I guess I follow them back because I like to look at their profile, and then they, or as a sign of respect, they start messaging me like, hi, what's up? How's adult life, whatnot? And then I just messaged them back like, so far nothing really changed. So far nothing really has changed. Who are you? How do you know me? And then she tells me who she is, and I look at the TikTok and guess who it is. I will. Do y'all remember this one girl who I made who I made some videos back a year ago? You know, I'm just gonna spell the name on it. It was Jade. It was Jade. I think y'all remember. If you've been following me for a long time, you know Jade. My ex. If you've been following me for a long time. I blocked her from my YouTube channel, and after I did, both her, I thought I've seen the last of her, she thought she'd seen the last of me. But neither of us could be more wrong. I asked her how she find me. I guess she found some on my TikTok, and then and then I have my YouTube share on my TikTok, where I where she, well, I guess she clicked on that and then recognized me. Though, and I would tell you to go follow my TikTok, but I don't really upload much. I don't upload much anything on it. I literally have only 4 videos up on TikTok because I just don't really, because TikTok I've just never been that passionate about. And that's all I gotta say. Thank y'all for watching. Peace out.